Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of latex, where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Leather fashion has been making waves, combining the glossy finish of latex with the luxurious feel of leather for an unforgettable look. In this video, we'll explore various styles and how they can suit different occasions and personalities. From sleek body hugging, eye-catching, brightly colored pieces that show off a playful side, there is something for everyone. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and keep watching, keep visiting. If you are new to our channel, then please support me by sharing my video. Shiny designs, outfits, collections, ideas. Whether you're dressing up for a special event, a night out, or just love to turn heads with your style, leather dresses are a statement worth making. Get ready to discover how to embrace this bold fashion trend with confidence and ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect leather dress for you. You can see latest designs, shiny collections, so please support me by sharing my video. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos.